Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on Gling. Gling is an AI creation tool tailored for YouTubers to effortlessly transform all your raw videos into captivating content. There are some key features to work with that will help you save time, create quality content, and maximize your success. So at the end of this video, you know how to use the AI features on Gling. We'll be making it easy to understand. So right away, let's go over to the top right corner where we have Start for Free. We're going to click on it. Now on this page, you can go ahead and drag your videos or click to browse. However, we'd like to sign up by clicking on this button. After clicking on sign up, you have two options to get in. You could use your email and create a password, or you can make things easy by clicking on Connect with Google. It will take you to this page where you'll be connecting your Google email to Gling. So we're going to select one of them, click on continue. Now, if you're doing this for the first time, you have this pop-up displayed. You have to select which of the following best describes you if you're a video editor, a business owner, or a content creator. If this doesn't fit any of the categories you belong to, you can click on Other. For this tutorial, we'll be choosing Content Creator. And then once again, you have to pick which of these narrows down your specialty. However, if you're not sure, you can click on Other. But we'll be going with the walkthrough. At the top here, you can see the option to connect your YouTube. This will help you to seamlessly work with Gling and your YouTube channel. If you wish to do that, all you need to do is to click on Connect Your YouTube. Now we're going to look at the top right corner where we have our profile name. We're going to click on the drop down, and right here you'll find some other options such as connecting your YouTube, which we'll be doing in a moment. You could also get to see your usage of Gling, go to your affiliate program, creator program, and you have the option to download the desktop app. So if you want to do this, all you need to do is to click on the download desktop app. It will take you to another tab where you'll need to download the app. You have settings, change your theme, and sign out. Before we go to settings, we're going to go to change theme, and there are three options right here. You can go to light mode, dark mode, or choose the system default. Now the system default is dark mode, so you can live at system default. And then we're going to go to settings. Under settings, you have your email notifications, and now I would like to connect our YouTube. After clicking on the button, you will be taken to this page where you'll need to choose an account. We're going to choose the same account which we connected with our Gling before, and this says when you allow access, Gling will be able to view your YouTube account. So if the email you're using with your Gling is the same with your YouTube channel, that's just fine. However, if it's not the same, you'll need to select the email address which is connected to your YouTube. This is important in order to allow access to Gling on your YouTube channel. After all of that is sorted out, you can click on continue. And we're in. You might be encouraged to open the desktop app, however, we'd love to continue with the web editor, so we're going to click on the link right here. Because you're connected with your YouTube channel, you can see the option to generate fresh video ideas inspired by the activity on your channel. We can go ahead and click on generate ideas. Now this is a short list of potential ideas for your upcoming video. You might notice that these ideas are centered around music, and the name of the channel is called Karaoke Moments. And as you can imagine, it's all about music. So Gling automatically detects what your channel is all about. You can see this option is about music, so is this one and this one. You have the option to copy any of these titles. As you can see, copy to clipboard, or this one, and it's copied to the clipboard. However, if you're not interested in these three options, you can go ahead and generate more ideas. We're going to click on that. And once again, it generates a short list of three other options. If you're satisfied with this, you can take this title and build on it. We're going to close this now. And right here, we have the option to drag our videos right here or click to browse it. We're going to click on it and add our sample video. After selecting it, we're going to click on open and we'll see this page. Now there are some things you need to do right here. You can change the name of the project. You could say this is project A just to give it a name, and then you will select the spoken language of this video. We're going to click on the drop down, and there are some options for different languages. In our case, we will be choosing English. And here you can see a preview of the sample video which we added. The name of the video is right here, and you can add another video if you want. If you have a script, you can click on Add Script. When you click on it, you will be able to paste your script right here. We're going to go back because this video doesn't have a script for now. And now we're going to click on Continue. Now at the beginning, we talked about features that Gling has. And right away, you can add them during the process of enhancing your video. You can cut silences, cut bad takes, remove audio noise, jump cut zoom, and speech enhancement. For the sake of this tutorial, we'll be trying to have all of this added to our video. So currently we have 5 features added to our video preference for processing. And it says, no worries, you can adjust your choices later. However, these are great, so we're going to continue. Enhance and edit. Click on it, and you'll need to give it a few moments to process your video. Awesome. Now, after the process has been completed, you can see the results that Gling provides. You have your script right here, and down here, you have your editing setup. You can choose to play it, change the speed which you'll be playing it in, show the cuts or skip cuts. You also have the option to split. There is also the keyboard shortcut, which you can pay attention to. You can make use of the enhanced option or the AI assistant. And at the bottom, you have the seek bar. The seek bar is located right here, and you can click on it and slide from left to right. Now, it does indicate right here that there are 6 cuts for this video. When you come over here to the left side, you can see the next cut or the previous cut. You can use these 2 buttons to navigate between cuts. Go over to script again, and we can click on enhance. With the enhance feature, you have about 4 options. You have smart captions, jump cut zoom, remove audio noise, and speech enhancement. Remember, we selected some of these options before. Now we're going to select smart captions. Now, because we clicked on smart captions, we have 2 sub options to pick from, and it's under caption presence. Now, if we choose highlights, you can see the captions is just around here. But if we choose all of them, you can see the captions will be everywhere. Would also like to have the jump cut zoom feature. So we're going to click on it, and it's been toggled on. It does tell you that this might take time for larger files because it has to basically scan through all your video and choose the right places for the jump cut to happen. So after you're done with all the preferences and all the customizations that have been done to your video, along with the features of Gling, and you've reviewed it, you can go ahead and export your video. But before we do that, we can click on the play button right here. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to turn on or enable ChatGPT 4o with Canvas. Now, of course, we can see some typographical errors right here. For example, at the start of this video, it says, welcome to our quick comparison of ChatGPT 4. Now, that's what's supposed to be there, but we have ChatGPT 4. What we could do right here is to select what we're seeing, and then we have the correct add and cut. Now, I'd like to correct this. We're going to click on it, and we can manually correct it. Click on apply, and you'll see how it's going to change ChatGPT 4 to ChatGPT 4, which is the correct one. And you can see immediately it's been highlighted right here on our video. Now, when you're done with everything, you can go over here to the top right corner and click on export. You can see the different options here. You can export the subtitles, export the audio, or you can export the video. With all these features, you could go ahead and make Gling your #1 tool for video editing with AI. So go ahead, sign up, and see what more you can do with it, and thanks for watching.